What's up, guys? This is my first time making salmon croquettes, and as you can see, right now I'm forming the patties. I know I started recording pretty late, but I mean, you still can get the gist of what I'm doing. So in this bowl, we have salmon mixed with 2 eggs, 1 onion, and 1 green pepper. And then we have breadcrumbs in here. And then I seasoned it with garlic powder, a little seasoning salt, a little Old Bay, and black pepper. And right here is my mixture of cornmeal and flour mixed with these seasonings that I just showed you. And then, yeah, so in this bowl is the cornmeal. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 patties.
That's going to be the 7th.
Right. This is going to be the 7th patty. I have my grease on right now. It's getting hot, so it should be ready. And after I make this last patty, I'm going to begin putting it in the flour and the cornmeal mixture to get that coating so that I can fry my croquettes. We're going to be having rice and corn with this meal. I know people eat it all kinds of ways, but that's the way we're going to eat it today. My husband said he's going to eat it. How you say he's going to eat it?
On a sandwich?
with mayonnaise?
No.
What?
Miracle Whip.
Oh.
Don't disrespect me.
Miracle Whip. Okay, whatever.
Don't she look like Wizard Kelly, y'all?
I thought you showed me. I was going to be too mad. But yes, okay. This is the last patty. You don't want to make it too thick or too big like a burger. You want it in between a burger, the size of a burger, and maybe like a sausage. One of those sausage patties.
So you can get the little thickness profile. You see that? You see that? I don't know if it cut off in that last video, but my wife be cooking. She don't be believing in herself for real, but she be doing the thing.
Cause this is my first time.
She say that about it. She say she always, every time she make me some food, the first thing she say is, "I hope it's edible."
For real, I be scared.
It be busting.
So right now, I'm putting the patty in the cornmeal mixture.
Okay, do your thing, do your thing.
And this, I believe I said it's seasoned, but just if you didn't know, it's seasoned.
That's gonna give it that nice look.
Yeah, what he said. So you want to pat the excess off, and then I'm gonna put it to the side so they all can be coated.
One time for them nails, though. I know it's a little coated right now, but you best believe.
You can't really see it.
I don't know why. They know the vibes, man.
Thank you. I guess these are my birthday nails, right?
Yep.
So yes, you just want to keep doing this for all of the patties, and then again get those sides, and then pat off the excess. And then we're going to put them in the grease for about maybe 3 or 4 minutes on each side. And then I'll come back and show you the end result. Alright guys, excuse the dirty stove, but it's coming along pretty good. Alright, bye. And here's the finished product.